Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Anyways, guys, so what are you gonna tell them? You tell them.
I don't know. You tell them. I don't know.
Okay. You know what? This is South American pastry.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, this is South American pastry. You only get it, well, here in Sydney. That's where we have to come to get it if we want to eat it. So yeah, there's actually more variety, but my mum and her husband like, you know, a certain type. But there's so much more. Well, ¿a dónde compraste esto? En el Horse Drive. Ah, ok, bueno. Okay. So, pero tienen la de dulce de leche y todo eso, ¿no?
Yeah,
okay, bueno. So yeah, they have a whole different variety of them, and yeah, and so Babe's gonna try one. So which one are you gonna try?
Try the one closest to me.
Closest to you? Okay, I don't know what that one's called.
I don't want to have the first one.
You like it?
Nice.
Yeah. In Argentina, our thing, or in the whole of South America, really, our meat, our wine, and our pastries.
Only Argentina, Uruguay, and probably Paraguay. That's it.
Oh, really? The
They
pastry?
do
Different pastry, yeah.
Different pastry.
Well, there you go. Babe likes them.
Yeah, love it.
Welcome back, Island Tribe.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, beautiful people. God.
Good morning.
How are we all?
Yeah.
I hope you're all good anyway, wherever you are in the world.
Yeah, man.
And the glare is getting my bloody eyeball. It's always happens. Anyways, guys, so today's the day that we are
Leaving Sydney. Our last day in Sydney. For now. For now. But we have to go. We have to go back. I've got to go back to work, and you know, we've got to do things. So definitely. Yeah, man.
A vibe.
So
it's better.
What you gonna buy now, babe?
I just have to buy some mate for my dad because he's asking me for mate, which is Argentinian tea that we drink. Yeah. So I'm gonna get some of that, and hopefully some palmitos because I love palmitos if I can get it. I'm not too sure. We'll see how we go.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Yeah, man.
Island. And you should see Island's little outfit, guys. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
His outfit is wow.
Beautiful.
Island.
She like his Adidas boy now.
Yeah, he's Adidas. He's been signed by Adidas.
Yeah, going fully track on us now.
For real. Yeah. Alright guys, well stay tuned.
Yeah, man. So guys, look what we just find. Jackfruit. Yes.
Probably comes from Queensland.
Yeah.
Like of this side of Sydney, like even medicine's cheap. Nappies, wipes, they're always cheaper. I used to always come to that pharmacy there, Punch Bowl Pharmacy, because why? Because they sell everything cheap, creams, deodorants, all of that. Yeah, nice ride.
Yeah. Guys, we've been driving through this tunnel like over 2 minutes. It's long. Just as a little brightness out, you know. Yeah, man, we're like over 2. So it's the international airport. This is where I arrive, you would say?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. See, babe, DHL?
Oh, yeah, DHL.
DHL, they do have DHL here. That's company. Looks like they look at all the products they got to send. Wow, all the crates and crates. Actually, International's back there. This is Qantas is an Australian. It's Australian.
Okay. Cool. This airport is huge, though.
It's huge.
Huge.
Can't tell which one's international.
Exactly.
Which one's bloody domestic.
You'll be driving, and it's just the airport.
Yeah.
Sydney is well developed but overpopulated. That's what it is. Every day is new building, creating, you know.
As you were saying, babe, like so many places we have gone to, and like things that you used to when you were living here, they are all gone now.
All gone now. Like buildings have been demolished. Just lots of things more advanced.
Yeah.
So I guess this is jet aviation. Basically, people probably trade here.
Okay.
Pilots, they train with the small planes first, and then eventually they get to the bigger planes. So yeah, I'm guessing a lot of training happens. General Dynamics company. Yeah. Well, then again, maybe it could be for famous people that come. They just get off the plane and come straight here
To their private jet.
or to the jet. Yeah. Yep.
There you have it, guys. Australia KFC.
It's a nice KFC.
Yeah.
You believe or not?
Yeah, it's good. I have no complaint. As I said, I've never really been like a big KFC lover like that to really say, oh, comparing, you know? So, yeah, that's what most Jamaicans say. Jamaica KFC is the best, so yeah. It's so crazy, guys, when we're about to leave. The sun is coming out, looking bright. Can you imagine that? Yeah. That's Australia fire. Island.
Do you want to sit with Island, babes?
Yeah.
Or? There we go. Where just put your seatbelt on, hey? There you go.
Now we're
Oh,
shutting
you
the bus.
sit there. I'll sit there.
Yeah.
On the bus now. How's the morning been?
Yeah, quiet.
Yeah. For real, yep. Is that because there's like another strain or something?
Yeah, there's another strain.
From South Africa, I was told.
Welcome back! Yeah, there's another strain and it's coming from overseas and it's like coming back over to Australia.
Wow.
I don't know what's happening, I don't.
Wow.
But I know it's not going to end. There's
Nah.
so many people in the world too.
Too much, yeah. Exactly.
What else can you do? Shut things down all the time?
Yeah, that's the part that sucks is so many people have lost their jobs, had to resign or I like your hair by the way.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Thank you.
Yeah, where'd you get it done? Here
Oh,
in
this
Sydney?
African lady did it in Balmain. She did it from home.
Oh right, okay,
Nice lady.
nice.
I always go to her.
Yeah.
This time I said, I don't want it out ever again.
Oh gosh, I had mine done for my wedding.
Oh, it must be
And,
beautiful. It's the best feeling.
Oh, it is beautiful to have it like a different style. Like I like the way they do different styles.
Cornrows and that too.
Oh, love it, yeah. But it was
They're
so
good at it.
damn tight. I took it off within 24 hours after the wedding.
Yeah, you have to persevere.
Yeah.
Yeah, my head was heavy, but now it's beautiful.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, they are nice. They are.
It irritates you because it's pulling.
Because it pulls. Yeah. For sure.
But African hair, mate, it's the strongest.
Yeah.
You can tolerate anything.
For real.
Yeah.
I just love it. The wind, nothing blows. It's all clean. It's beautiful. Nothing moves.
Yeah, it's true.
It's the best feeling.
Well, the weather here has been crap. The last 4 days we've been here. The only place we were able to visit was SeaWorld for the little one. The
Oh, in
aquarium.
Queensland?
Yeah, no, here, the aquarium here in
Oh, the
Sydney.
SeaWorld, yeah.
Yeah, there's sea life. That's what
Oh,
they
that's
call it
okay,
here.
yeah.
Yeah. They changed it. It used to be Sydney Aquarium.
Yeah.
Anyway, I used to live in Sydney about 7 years ago. I moved up the Ballina Byron way.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I mean,
Nice.
it's nice to come out here to see family, but
Of
God, I
course.
wouldn't live back here again.
A lot of people say that.
Yeah.
A lot of people say that.
Yeah. I mean,
The traffic, man.
yeah, the traffic is crazy. That's why we left early. Like, we left super early this morning because, we got to beat the traffic.
Well, not as yet because of COVID, but
Yeah,
sooner or later
exactly.
it's going to become like a rat race again anyway.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's the traffic. It's the people driving anyway. It's everybody
Yeah.
driving. Can't get to your destination in time anymore.
Nah.
In a way, it's good that it stopped and it's changed a bit. It needed it.
When you get the chance to go on vacation, even if it's for a week or 2 days or 3 days, enjoy
I don't
it.
go.
Yeah. Take it. Yeah. That's probably.
Hope you have a great safe trip.
Island.
And I will support you.
Yeah, will. I'll see you again.
Thanks,
All right,
darling.
cheers.
Thank you.
Bye. Say bye.
Wave.
You're ready to fly. Are you ready to fly? It's confused.
Yeah.
See you, doll.
Alright, bye. Bye. We just got off the shuttle, guys. So we just passed through.
Just pass through security.
Yeah. So we're going. Bobo. Hi, smile. Kiss. No?
I've got a bit of time. Auntie and uncle bought him that outfit, guys. Doesn't he look just so cute?
Tell you, like tracksuit fit him. Look like the Madleys.
Yes, yes. All right, we're gonna give you that now. Say hi to everyone. Kiss. Kisses. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? The plane. Say hi. Oh, wave at them. Hi. Say hi. Say hi to the plane. Hi. Oh, Papa.
Hey guys, so we're just here now waiting on our flight time, you know?
We thought we'd come early because
Yeah.
if we miss this flight, possibility, chances are we might not get back home tonight. But also talking about coming back to Sydney, but we're not sure when.
When yet?
Because we do plan to travel elsewhere,
Yeah,
which is a secret.
secret.
You guys don't know
You
yet.
see, we just started off, you see it, so stick around for more adventures.
Stick around for
See it.
more. Unfortunately, we couldn't get to do a lot that we wanted to do this time
Yeah.
around, but we will eventually
Yeah,
get there.
yeah man, that's how it go.
Yeah.
And I mean the sun looked like it was about to come out earlier, but now it's like gone cloudy again, dark.
It's crazy.
Yeah, so
It is. Anyway, doesn't matter.
Can't wait for each home anyway.
Yeah, I can't wait. I was just saying to babe, I want to eat dumplings,
Yeah,
like
real.
a soup or something.
Yeah, and we buy the plantain, so we are bring home back the plantain and thing. We couldn't get fresh yam because them say the yam not in a season. Is it so? And them they mainly get the yam, and all of them produce the dasheen and all that from the islands. Them you see it close by. Yeah, so yeah man, can't wait.
I thought he was gonna jump down the stairs, and I just realised it's like a glass.
It's glass.
Anyways, yeah, guys. So overall, our trip has been good.
Yeah man, we enjoyed it.
We enjoyed it.
Yeah.
The rain didn't allow us to do much, but anyway,
Yeah, we
we're not gonna
couldn't
complain.
do the street videos and all that, but it was good enough, you know. So we get to do some, you know, mall exploring and, you know, went to the sea life or whatever it's called. You see it, so with Ireland, and you got that experience as well. You see it, so yeah, and we saw some things and, you know, experience some things even off camera too. So yeah man, it was amazing.
It was great.
Yeah, so we're just waiting on our flight now.
Yeah.
So that's what's up.
That's what's up at the moment.
Yeah, we're there chill.
We don't know the next stop. Where do you guys think? It has, well,
Yeah.
right now international borders aren't open.
Yeah.
If international borders were open, we probably would have gone somewhere out of
Yeah.
Australia. But
Yeah.
at this present moment, we've been talking about just staying around
Yeah,
Australia
yeah.
for the time being.
Travel the States, I guess.
Because
Yeah.
I've just been told there's an African strain that's coming to Australia. So now
Yeah.
they actually said, keep an eye on your flight because it could be cancelled. And we're
Yeah.
like, why would it be cancelled? And the lady said to us, maybe because of the turbulence, which means like the rain and all that sort of stuff. Sometimes the weather's not good for flying. So we're just going to wait around and see.
Yeah,
Otherwise, Jetstar is going to have to, I don't know, help us out.
True,
We
true.
don't have anywhere else to go unless I'm with my family. But yeah. Anyways, safe travels.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe Melbourne.
Yeah.
Melbourne next.
Yeah man.
Perth.
Yeah.
Where do you guys think?
Where do you guys think?
Yeah.
Let us know.
Yeah, let us know
Yeah,
down in
man.
the comments below.
Yeah.
But another thing is, just hope the weather is nice and clear in Casino when we get there.
Yeah, let's hope it's warm because out here guys is really chilly. Yeah, the weather no nice. Yeah, man, but we made the best of it that we could. Yeah. So, alright, guys, stick around.
As you settle in, we ask that you move into your seat
Finally,
as
about
quickly
to
as
board,
possible.
guys.
Place your smaller personal belongings underneath the seat in front of you, and only your larger bags, wheels first, into an overhead locker. You must not tamper with or remove any aircraft equipment unless authorised. You must comply with any instructions from our crew and any signs that you see on board. Smoking is not permitted anytime, anywhere on board the aircraft, including in the bathrooms. It's our pleasure to have you on board with us today.
Finally asleep. Finally asleep.
Good job.
Wagwan, beautiful people.
Yeah, guys. Finally, as you can see, we're in IKEA now.
We're home. Well,
Yeah,
almost home.
almost, you know.
But we're off the flight.
Yeah.
It was a good little flight, a little bit of turbulence, but
Yeah.
we enjoyed it because I got to close my eyes for a bit.
And at least Island sleep this time too, so you know, yeah, it was a bit more comfortable.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Well, guys, this is it for now.
Yeah, man.
You know, you'll be seeing a lot more other adventures, a lot more other trips, like we said, and yeah.
Yeah,
So
man. Hope you guys enjoy this little trip, you know, to Sydney and back, you see it. So yeah, man, stick around for what next.
what's next?
Yeah.
Blessing, guys, always and forever. Take care.
Yeah, man.
One love.
Stay safe.
For real.
Blessings.
You.